All right, first grade, you are going to be creating this cute little reindeer project. So we already talked about our background paper, so this is going to be like a wet week. So we're just going to do all the wet stuff first so that all of it can dry, and then next week we will assemble our little reindeer. It can be a Rudolph, it can be whatever you want, and then we're going to just dress him in lights or adorn him in lights. And we'll do all that detail next week. This week, all we're going to be doing is drawing him out, and we're going to be creating that nose so that it can be drying as well. All right, so this is about the shape that we're going to do for this reindeer. So I want you to notice that we're going to actually start here. It's very simple steps. So we're going to actually do a dot to dot to do this because we're going to connect the dots. So if you notice, we're going to start in here. We're just going to come out here and we're going to go around. So we're going to kind of ghost draw it first. So I want everybody to just, on your blank piece of paper, I want you to just go from the center and I want you to just go around and down. Okay, so this is just kind of the basic shape that we're going to do to create this reindeer. So now we are going to be using these very special tools to do this. This is called an ink dauber, and those of you who've had me before know we've used these. Be very, very careful with these. It is the only thing that does not come out of your clothes, so you want to be very careful. There is a sponge. If you can see that, there's a little sponge on the end of that, and what happens is when you turn it upside down and you press, it is actually the sponge that's releasing the ink onto your paper. So to activate it, you are gently pressing. Now if you sit here and press, all the ink is just going to go everywhere, so you don't want to do that. You just want to gently press and draw just like you would a marker or a pencil or a paintbrush. Okay, so we're going to start, we're just going to go right in the center of our page and we are going to gently press, and we're going to make a dot. Perfect. All right, so now we're going to go to almost the end of the page, almost at like a diagonal. We're going to go right about here and we're going to make another dot. And I want to make sure that I come up way up high on his head, so I want to make another dot right here. And I want to put one right across from it, okay, because we're going to actually go just like this. And then I want you to put a dot at the almost the very bottom of the page. Perfect. So our dot to dot is going to go from here all the way around. So now you're going to take your little ink dauber and you're going to follow your dots. Perfect. So you should have something that looks about like this. Now we're just going to go ahead and give him a neck. Now we have the hard part over. Now we're just going to give him a neck. And then we actually want to give it some eyes, and we want it to look like it is sleeping or it's happy. So we're just going to do those little curves right there. All right, so this is it for our little reindeer drawing today. If you would like to take your little ink dauber and just kind of make sure that everything is nice and even, you can go back over it now that you have it drawn out. You just want to make sure it's nice and even. You want to get rid of those dots. You don't want to see those dots. You want to make sure they're kind of hidden, and we'll cut that off, so that'll look fine. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do this little nose, and we're just going to use the same paper. And you have little tracers that look like this. Now, don't get ridiculous. You don't want too big of a nose. We don't want any of these on this side, okay? But you can pick any other nose. Probably not that one either. That one's probably too big. I think I want a nose. That's probably a good size nose right here. I think I'm going to use this one. You are going to take a pencil. I am using marker so that you can see. And I'm just going to come to about here in this empty space so we're not wasting any paper. And I'm doing a circle. The next thing I'm going to do, and this is very important, I am going to put 1 drop of glue about that big. This does not take a whole lot of glue. We're going to do a very special little technique here because we're going to have to put glitter all on this and we need the glitter to stick. You're going to take your finger and you are just going to rub all around, all the way to the edges, and you're going to rub the glue just like that. And then you're going to bring it to glitter station. We're going to put some glitter on it, and we're going to put this on the drying rack. Now, we kind of have a little glue finger. That's okay. Go over to the side and wipe your finger off. Voila. All right, so when you're done, you should have something that looks about like this. This is all we're doing this week, is this and, excuse me, the background paper. All right, have fun.